2025 Lamborghini Revuelto in a Grigio Volcano Matte color, and then Grigio Athens interior. It's pretty unique. The MSRP is 735,958, 753,958, 753,958. I'm gonna post it anyway, so don't worry. Carbon ceramic brakes. Put this on. Very unique color. Unique color, and then you need texture, the matte. Yellow accents. Oh, this is leather. I thought it was Alcantara. So this portion is Alcantara, and this is leather. Very unique. Then lots of carbon fiber. $753,000. You can buy a house in Texas. Let me know if you're interested.